Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money with MoneyGram. Start by downloading the MoneyGram app or visiting the MoneyGram website. Create an account if you are a new user or log into your existing account. Once you are signed in, tap on the Send Money button at the bottom menu. After that, you will be asked to enter the receiver details. First, select the country where you want to send the funds and enter the amount you would like to transfer. You will usually see the transfer fee and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Next, choose how the recipient will get the money. Depending on the destination, you may be able to select cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet. Choose the option that works best for the recipient. Now enter the recipient's details. Make sure you provide their full legal name exactly as it appears on their government-issued ID. Also enter any required contact information. Double-check all details before continuing to avoid delays. After that, review the transfer summary to confirm that all information is correct. To complete the transfer, select your payment method. You can usually pay with a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Enter your payment details and follow the prompts to authorize the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation and a reference number. Save this information so you can track the transfer if needed. Thanks for watching.